I'm going to show you this trick with Concatenator. This is how you can make infinite variations of a cinematic cue. These 4 layers right here. I want some variations on this exact timing with the debris and everything, except I don't want to go replace the sounds manually. So I've just dumped a bunch of sounds from like Hollywood Edge. We've got swords in here. We got all sorts of mechanics, tool chest and stuff like that. So it's the same sounds I would use to create another version of this sound anyway. I'm just going to hit record and do some variations. I can tell it to care about amp more. And we're in dual stereo right now. I can put it in normal stereo. Let's turn up that polyphony. By the time I get to the end of this, look, I have 45 different takes. Each one is a little bit different. So this is a real game changer for me. I really only have to do the work of imagining the sound once, and then Concatenator can help me make infinite variations from there.